Hello viewers, I'm Kajal and today I'm going to show you Netrunner Core OS, and you can see here the main website of Netrunner Core OS, and right now I'm going to download it. I'm already downloaded, but I'm going to show you how to download it. Just at first you come in the Netrunner Core website. Here you can see the Netrunner Core website address netrunner.com, and then you come to the download icon. Here is you can see the download, and then click a download. You can see here the Netrunner Core, and here is the direct downloading, and here is the torrent. I am using direct downloading. Will download this OS, and you can see here size is 1.2 GB. It's Debian stable roster Plasma website, Plasma OS, and live mode. Password is live/live. So let's go to hosted this ISO. Viewers, you can see here our Netrunner Core OS is already running. I'm hosted with this ISO, and you can see here the Netrunner branding wallpaper is here, and you can see here first icon Netrunner Core. Install your system, and then secure DNS, VNC, and readme, and network, and my computer. Like Windows, this OS look like Windows, and you can see here the start menu here, and here is the pre-installed application Mozilla Firefox, all applications here, graphics application, GrandView, internet for Mozilla Firefox, multimedia for Pulsar OS, and setting, and system. You can see here the system applications here, and the utilization utilities application is here. Okay, then you can see here first power menu, then I don't know what is this reboot menu, and then Handbit and others option is here. So you can see here the paint here is user ID is live, LIVE, sorry, LIVE, live. Okay, you can see here the user ID password is live/live. Okay, then let's go to see the installation menu, and also you can see here the bottom notification is here, the notification, and then the time, network configuration, and desktop icon. As far you know, all the Ubuntu and Linux have the same notification icon, almost. Some are different, but almost are same. Okay, then we are start to installation this OS. Here you can see the welcome screen, and then click next, and I am in Bangladesh, so select the Bangladesh Dhaka, and select the next, and use default language keyboard for English. Click next, and I'm always use it as old X, and click next. And here is the information about me. Take passport, and then take passport, and here I am choose 114477, and here 114477. Login automatically, next. Okay, then install. Okay, I'm here, made it fast forward. After done, I'm come again. Viewers, you can see here our Netrunner Core OS is installation 100% successfully done, and you can see here the Bangla branding is here because of I am from Bangladesh, so Bangla language direct time is installed from here for default for Bangladesh. And you can see here the notification, and here is the network configuration icon as Ubuntu here. You can see here the desktop property, internet monitor configuration, secure VNC are the same as the live OS, and here you can see after installation same as it is. And you can see here the OS version is Netrunner Core 20.01, and you can see here the all pre-installed application as it is same with the system before the I show you the live OS. And you can see here the case system load summary. You can see here the system load summary only 2%, and memory swapping very low uses PC. So if you can easily use it for your, if you have any old system or low CPU configuration, then you can use this Ubuntu or Linux very easily with your secondary OS or secondary OS. And so viewers, if you like my video, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned with my channel. Have a good day. And one more thing, I am really sorry for my bad English. Thank you very much.